Hey guys, welcome to Meepers Jeepers. I'm Master Mechanic Bob.
And I'm Meep, and today we are going to unbox SunPie LED rock lights. We got the whole set, well, not the whole set, I got about 6 of them set up. We're going to show you how they work and all the features and adjustments. You can go through them. Guys, these lights are dope. They are going on my wife's Jeep. We're going to show you a full install here in maybe another, I don't know, a few weeks, whenever we get the time to get it done. It all works either with the remote that I still have in the box. They're Bluetooth capable. I don't know why you would need the remote, but Mom, you want to show them how it works?
Yeah, we can do that. I'll show them here how what the remote looks like, so you guys can get a look at that. So, yeah, we got these opened up. Pretty simple design. They're just power and ground hookup, and then a simple switch. We'll show them the switch there.
Oh, yep.
So just the switch, yep, just simple on-off switch. And then the connectors, I really like these lights in comparison to some others I've installed. I've installed like some XK glows, where they kind of like piggyback off each other, almost like Christmas lights. So when the first one goes out, the rest of them go out. This is a pretty sweet design because this one has its own lead to each one of the individual lights, and they're a super simple hookup.
So if one goes bad, you just take that one out and you can replace it with another one without messing with the whole system.
Right.
So, but I think I can't even, this thing has infinite colors with the color wheel. Let me turn them on so you guys can see them.
They're in a flash mode right now. Yeah, we'll get that fixed here real quick.
Turn it on like music. It'll follow any kind of music from your phone. This is the mic that it will work. I'm sorry, the last one won't work off your mic. This one works off your mic. So any music that you are playing out of your radio or your phone will make the light strobe or beat to the music. This is pulsating, and you can speed it up, slow it down. It's got strobe or like heartbeat or pulsating. It's a great set of lights. Like I said, they're completely waterproof, and they also have these rubber mats that they sit on. So I don't know, dirt and grime won't get behind and get your wiring.
The cool part is with these as well is that the wiring there, when you are installing it, it's got a special notch on either the top side or the bottom side. For easier mounting or remote mounting to help keep those wires tucked and hidden. So that's one of the things I'm big on is, I like doing the upfitter stuff, but I want it to make it look like
clean
it's factory.
As possible.
Yeah,
absolutely. You don't want to see no wires rubbing against any moving parts. It just keeps them up nice and tight. They're out of the way. Nobody sees them. It just looks like a more professional job. So, like I said, in the next couple weeks, we're gonna get these put on my wife's Jeep, and I know I'm excited to see what they look like.
Yeah, let's show what the app looks like here. So this is the app.
And just so you guys know, if you have other SunPie products, I don't know why they do it. My wife has the headlights, and now she will have the rock lights on her Jeep, but they are both managed by 2 different apps, which makes no sense at all. Right. So just keep that in mind. It's just you scan the QR code and it pops the app up, and you can work the lights. I mean, it's just simple. They got a lot of presets, or like I said, you use the color wheel and you can make them any color you want. So me and Bob both are pretty excited about getting these hooked up, getting to see what they look like on the Jeep. So
I think this would be a quick, easy install too. Like I said, it's just a power and ground, and then a simple switch that's already hardwired in for you. So with plenty of length to them as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah, well, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.
Life's a journey, guys. Take an adventure.
Cool.
Thanks for watching.
Yep, thanks. We'll see you.